is very important chapter for your ICSE exam, board exam, obviously. So you should learn it very seriously. Climate of India. We know what is a climate. Climate is a average atmospheric condition of a area for average of 35 years, considerable time. So we know what is climate. We all face climatic conditions like rainfall, thunderstorm, and like your now summer is going on. You know what is the climate. So let's get started. We will not waste your time. और शुरू करने के पहले मैं कह दूंगा कि अगर ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. So at first, India lies between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes and 68 degree 7 minute east and 25 minute east longitude. So please mark this. Afterwards you will memorize. Okay, so after you used to memorize it, so very important thing. Okay, now topic of cancer divides India into two parts. What divides? Topic of cancer divides India. Now these are not important things. I will show you the important things at first. Topic of cancer divides India into two parts. The northern half of India in the temperate region, while the southern half is in the tropical region. So northern half of India is in the temperate region, while southern half is in tropical region. Don't forget this. Climatic conditions play an important role in development of region. Now, question can give reason how climatic conditions play an important role in development of a region. The climate of India is generally described as tropical monsoon climate due to dominating influence of monsoon winds over the Indian subcontinent. India receives most of its rainfall from southwest monsoon winds. So, climatic condition plays an important role in development of region. How? In the development of crops, in water resources. Water resources chapter you will learn afterwards. For storage of water, water is a very essential thing that raises the groundwater table. That is the most important function. So write down this function. That is the reason climate plays an important role. Northern part of India, which is a temperate basin, not very cold. Other regions the same. This is due to the Himalayas, which obstruct the cold. Now Himalayas plays an important role. That obstruct the cold winds coming from the north. Now next page. Now these I will just explain you the most important portions. India has a vast latitudinal extent. It has all the topographical features found in all the countries of South Asia. Hence, it represents various climatic features found in the entire South Asia. Therefore, the mirror of climate of South Asia. It is also known as the mirror of the climate of South Asia. Why? Question can come. Why India's climatic conditions are also known as the mirror of the climate of South Asia? Why? Because this is the answer. India has a vast latitudinal extent. It has all the topographical features found in all the countries of South Asia. Hence, it represents various climatic features found in entire South Asia. So, please don't forget, please mark it in your book. Why India's climate is also known as mirror of the climate of South Asia? Question can come. 2 marks question can come. Give reason. Okay. So this year also give reason question has come. So please mark it. Why? India has vast latitudinal extent. Latitudinal extent इसका बहुत ही बड़ा है. It has all topographical features found in countries of South Asia. Therefore, represent various climatic features found in South Asia. Therefore, mirror of climate is also known as the mirror of the climate of South Asia. Now, various factors that are responsible for the unique climate. Now, question can come. Okay, 2 marks question. State 4 factors. Each factor will consist 1.5 marks. Okay, half. Four factors. Why? Various factors which are responsible for unique climate of India. Now, please see. Latitudinal location, low pressure development over the northern plains during summer, डायरेक्शन ऑफ रेन बियरिंग मीन्स, पोजिशन ऑफ हिमालय एंड अदर मॉडल. यहाँ से कोई भी 4 आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा है. तो क्योंकि ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्वेश्चन कैन कम ऑफ 2 marks दैट हाफ ईच factor will consist half marks. Question can come. Okay, please do mark this position. Factors any 4 you all will learn any 4 from this point. Okay, now factors affecting India's climate. I told you at the first only of that live streaming. Climate is the average atmospheric conditions of a that is temperature, humidity, air pressure, rainfall of an area over a considerable period of time, that is minimum 35 years of time. The factors what are responsible for this. Okay, now these are the most important. Now we will start from the most important points. Okay, influence of monsoon winds. Northern hemisphere experiences summer in April May पे नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर जो समर एक्सपीरियंस करता है. ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड रिलेटिव पोजीशन ऑफ द सन इज ए नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. हाँ, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में सन का पोजीशन क्या है, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, देयरफॉर सोलर रेज आर मोर वर्टिकल ओवर सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ एशिया। हाँ, सेंट्रल मतलब मध्य, हाँ, इन सेंट्रल द दिस प्रोड्यूस इंटेंस हीट, है ये बहुत गर्मी पैदा करता है। दिस हीटेड ईयर नियर द अर्थ सरफेस एक्सपांड्स, और अगर गर्मी बढ़ेगा तो क्या होगा, इस डेंसिटी डिक्रीजेज, हाँ हाँ, डेंसिटी डिक्रीजेज एंड दिस लेस देन ऊपर धकेलता है इस हवा को, और दिस लेस देन मूव्स द अपर एज इट इज अ लो प्रेशर इज डेवलप्ड इन द central part of Asia and northern. Now question can come, please mark. As a result, low pressure is developed. Why northern hemisphere experiences a low pressure? As a result, low pressure is prevalent. Why northern hemisphere experiences a low pressure in the April May period? Now this question can come. Please mark. And this, if this video is helping you, don't forget to like our video. Now at the same time, high pressure area develops over Australia due to oblique solar. Why high pressure is prevail? Due to oblique solar rays. Okay, don't forget, due to oblique solar rays, vertical नहीं है, oblique solar rays. हाँ, Australia due to oblique solar air always moves from high pressure to low pressure. कभी भी लो से ऊपर नहीं जाता, हाई से ही लो जाता है, ये हमको सब पता है। डिफ्यूजन क्या है और कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हम थ्योरी हम पढ़ते हैं, तो ये जो बायोलॉजी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे तो हाई से ही लो जाता है। हाँ, इन दिस केस एयर मूविंग फ्रॉम हाई टू लो प्रेशर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ monsoon winds. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausin. Now this question can come, from where did this word monsoon has derived? That is derived from the Arabic word mausin, which derived means season. Okay, mausin matlab season. Monsoon means the seasonal winds due to rotation of the earth. These winds change these directions. हाँ, due to rotation, अब क्यों करता है रोटेशन, पृथ्वी हर वक्त रोटेट कर रहा है। आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग द इक्वेटर, these winds blow from southwest direction where they divides into two parts, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. After crossing equator, when they approach the Indian subcontinent, they are termed, this is not termed, okay, this is termed TRMD, साउथ monsoon winds. यहाँ पर ये दो हिस्से पे बढ़ जाता है, क्या है, अरेबियन सी ब्रांच एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल। क्यों बढ़ता है, पेनिनसुलर शेप ऑफ इंडिया के अकॉर्डिंग, पेनिनसुलर मतलब ये जो लाइक दिस, लाइक ट्रायंगल शेप, दिस डिवाइड दिस winds into two parts, जैसे अरेबियन सी ब्रांच एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल ब्रांच। नाउ वी विल लर्न द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट functions of these wind branches. The southwest monsoon winds influence almost entire India. Please do mark it, okay, and provide maximum rainfall from the period of June to September every year. Okay, please remember this. The southwest monsoon winds influence almost entire India and provide maximum rainfall during the period from June to September everywhere. Which time? June to September. Please mark. Agricultural output, availability of water, and to a great extent overall economy of India is directly related to the success of rainfall received from the southwest monsoon winds. Okay, this is a very important point you should mark. Question can come that why the overall economy of India is directly dependent on the rainfall received from the southwest monsoon winds. Okay, do you have any problem? Jacob Bikoyan asked me. Okay, any problem, please stay on the topic. So rainfall is directly related to the success of rainfall received from the southwest monsoon winds. The northeast monsoon winds are experienced from December to February. Now ये अगर आपने नहीं मार्क के प्लीज मार्क कर लीजिए. Why the overall economy is dependent on this economy of India? Because most of the rainfall is received from this wind branch. Okay, that is southwest monsoon winds. Now northeast monsoon winds. Northeast monsoon winds are experienced from December to February. Northeast monsoon winds, ये आप लोग प्लीज मार्क कर लीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी ऑफ इंडिया, वाई ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी इंडिया इज डायरेक्टेड रिलेटेड टू द साउथ वेस्ट monsoon wind, बिकॉज इस ब्रांच से ही हमको डायरेक्ट ज़्यादातर रेनफॉल हमको रिसीव होता है इंडिया पे, और देयरफॉर एग्रीकल्चर आउटपुट, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर एंड टू क्रिएट एक्सप्लोरेबल इकोनॉमी इज डायरेक्टेड टू द economy of India in this case. Northeast monsoon winds are experienced from December to February. They blow from northeastern part of South Asia as offshore wind and pick up moisture. They blow from which part? Northeastern part of South Asia as offshore wind and pick up moisture over Bay of Bengal. These moisture laden winds bring rainfall over Coromandel coast of India. Just memorize this point, okay? Very important question can come. They blow from northeastern part. Which part? Northeastern part of South Asia. As offshore winds and pick up moisture over Bay of Bengal. These moisture-laden winds bring rainfall over Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu. Now, question can come: which winds bring rainfall over the Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu? That is northeast monsoon wind. Reasons are given here. How it brings rain? Reasons are given here. Okay. Now, don't forget to like if this video is helping you. Okay, and please concentrate. Stay on the topic. Role of mountain ranges. Very important topic. The Himalayas. Himalaya plays a very important role in India. That is, you will know now. Himalayan mountain ranges are situated in the northern part of India. Which part? Northern part. Now, they act as a natural boundary between India, Central Asia, and China. Most over the what they do, these mountain ranges are a great benefit of India. Why they are of great benefit? I will tell you now. Some of them are as follows. They act as a barrier to the cold dry winds blowing from Central Asia during winter. They act as a barrier to the cold dry wind. This is a very important point. Okay, don't forget. They act as a barrier to the cold dry winds blowing from which Asia? Central Asia during which time? Winter. Now, monsoon winds coming from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal branch are obstructed by the Himalayas. Monsoon winds coming from Arabian. What happened? Yes. So monsoon winds coming from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal are obstructed by Himalaya. As a result, they give maximum rainfall of इंडियन. तो आप समझ गए हो अभी. तो अगर हिमालय नहीं होता हमारा तो क्या होता, ये विंड नहीं ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट होता और हमारा जो दिस विल अदरवाइज if Himalayas were not present, then this wind will pass to the other continents and India will not receive an amount of rainfall that is required for the economy, crop, agriculture and farming. That you will learn in your next coming months. Agriculture, very important chapter. Now, precipitation क्या होता है कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं है, कुछ हमारे स्टूडेंट को. प्रेसिपिटेशन जो हमारा जो स्लोप्स है ना, माउंट में जो स्लोप्स है, प्रेसिपिटेशन और माउंटेन स्लोप्स. ना precipitation or mountain in Himalayas in the form of snow or rainfall provides water rivers. जो हमारा आइस होता है माउंटेन पर, वो आइस मेल्ट होकर जो हमारा नीचे गिरता है उसी को हम प्रेसिपिटेशन कहते हैं ऑन माउंटेन स्लोप ऑन द हिमालयस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्नो which provides water to the river. As a result, they remain perennial throughout the year. Now, question can come: why rivers of North India remain perennial throughout the year? This is the answer. Precipitation on the mountain slopes of the Himalayas in the form of snow or rainfall provides water to the rivers of North India throughout the year. Therefore, they remain perennial throughout the year. This is a very important, very important topic. Okay, the question can come. Now, Western Ghats. This mountain range is parallel to the western coast of India. Now, don't forget what is Western Ghat, to which range it is parallel. This mountain range is parallel to the western coast of India. It obstructs the southwest monsoon winds. Which winds they obstruct? Do obstruct southwest monsoon winds को ये obstruct करता है coming from Arabian Sea. Now, and provides maximum rainfall to west coast, that is coastal strip Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa and Kerala. Which coast? Now, west coast. That are coastal strip of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa and Kerala. Don't forget, please memorize these points. Which coast, which states they do provide. Now, when these southwest monsoon cross the west coast, they become warm and expand and are able to absorb more water vapor. Hence, cloud droplets evaporate. Now, मैं समझाऊंगा. When these southwest monsoon wind west coast को पार करता है, they become warm हो जाते हैं, expand. वार्म होने से क्या होगा, ये एक्सपांड करेंगे एंड एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब मोर वाटर. द मोर दे एक्सपांड, द मोर दे विल एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब वाटर वेपर. हेंस क्लाउड ड्रॉपलेट्स evaporate, reducing the relative humidity. Therefore, so the eastern side of Sahyadri ranges receives less amount of rain. Therefore, it is termed as rain shadow zone. Though Mangalore and Bangalore are almost on the same altitude, Mangalore receives more rainfall than Bengaluru because Mangaluru lies on the western coastal plains of the Western Ghats. Bengaluru lies on the lies on the western coastal plain and is heavy local rain due to Western Ghats. Bangalore in rain shadow zone. Rain shadow zone means in the side where the little amount of cloud pass on, and the orographic side, that is where the most of the cloud stays. Therefore, Bangalore receives more rainfall, and this point is very, very, very important. What happened? Yes. So now बेंगलुरु lies in the rain shadow zone. रेन शेडो जोन हमको क्या है? रेन शेडो हमको मतलब समझना, यू आप पिक्चर देख रहे हो, रेन शेडो मतलब जो हमारा जो स्टीप स्लोप्स है ना, ये हमको ये क्लाउड को क्या करता है, फोर्स करता है ये स्टीप स्लोप को पार करके इधर आने का। तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी वेस्ट होता है, और जो क्लाउड आता है हमारा वो वेरी मच लेस है, और दैट इज वाई दिस साइड there is rain shadow zone because this steep slope are obtained in the clouds, therefore this is very less amount of rainfall. Okay, therefore this rain shadow zone receives less rainfall. And you know the orographic side, that is this side, in which the side the clouds are there, they receive the most amount of rainfall. Now that is why Bengaluru lies in the rain shadow zone and receives less rainfall. Question can come, why Bengaluru and why Mangalore receives more rainfall than Bengal, although they lies on same altitude? This is the reason, because the Bengaluru lies in the rain shadow zone, whereas Mangalore lies on the orographic side, that is windward side, and Bangalore is on the leeward side, that is rain shadow zone. Now Purvachal Hills, this is the last point of today. Tomorrow I will post another part 2. So Purvachal Hills are located in the northeastern part of India. Therefore these hills are known as Purvanchal. Why they are known as Purvanchal? Because they are located on the Purvanchal. Purvanchal side. Purvanchal means eastern end from Arunachal Pradesh to Mizoram. These hills form a crescent shape. Why Purvanchal? Now from Arunachal Pradesh to Mizoram. Don't forget this. Arunachal Pradesh tak Mizoram tak. These hills form a crescent shape. Crescent matlab khadiyal. Therefore, they obstruct Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon wind. These moisture-laden winds are forced to rise on steep slopes. Therefore, Cherrapunji and Mausainram, with windward slope, record the highest amount of rainfall in the world, that is 1200 centimeter of rainfall. Now, why? Why we will see? You see, this is Purvanchal. Okay, this is the windward side, and this side there lies the Cherrapunji and Mausainram. Okay, and this side lies your other continents. Okay, so now what happened, these wind steep slope, that is the steep slopes of Purvanchal hill, obstruct these cloudy winds which can cause rainfall in this side. Now what happens, therefore these cloudy winds are forced right on steep slopes, और ये उठते उठते यहाँ पर it provides the maximum rainfall. Okay, that provides the maximum rainfall. Therefore Cherrapunji and Mausainram lies to the receives heavy rainfall, that is 1200 centimeter rainfall in the world. Highest rainfall it receives, that lies on the windward side of Western Ghat. Now, so anyone has joined, so I will tell you, if you want to see the video, you can see from the beginning. I have explained everything. Okay, this is part 1 I am teaching. Tomorrow I will post part 2. You can see the video from the part 1 I explained today up to this much, part 1. Now I will end the video today. So if this explanation has helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Okay, so don't forget, and I'm ending the live streaming now. I think everybody is well. Be well, study well, you will score well, obviously. So thank you for watching the streaming class, and tomorrow I will post the second part of this climate chapter. So don't forget to join, and if this video had helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, please. This is my honest request to you all. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please one like, एक लाइक जरूर ठोक देना. ओके, एंड और अगर थोड़ा सा समय है, एक लाइक मत जरूर ठोक देना. लाइक देने के कोई पैसे नहीं लगते हैं, प्लीज़. ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक द वीडियो. Thank you students, and any query you can comment me, and you can see the video from the beginning. Okay, and this is part 1. I have taught up to Purvanchal Hills. Tomorrow I will continue from the next portion. Thanks for watching the video, students. Thanks.